Hello, my dears! These are our brand new sound-reactive LED pasties. They're gorgeous, flirty, super bright, and we're gonna tell you all about them. You'll notice when you receive them that they come with two sizes of interchangeable bases. This lets you decide how much coverage and adhesion you want. We also sell an additional larger size that looks like this for even more coverage. This one could also be great for adding rhinestones or other decorations if you were into DIY. We think most people will want to use this medium-sized one, so that's what we've attached it to. It comes with batteries pre-installed, and they last over 10 hours on the default setting, so you should be good to go. To turn them on, just find the on-off switch. And if you like it like that, you're ready to put them on. There's two buttons, here and here, for brightness and pattern. There's 3 brightness settings and a bunch of patterns. The first set of 2 patterns are great because they are bright, multicolored, and sound reactive. The next set are single color, so you can match them to your outfit or pick your favorite color or whatever. Here's green, blue, and so on. The last 2 patterns are not sound reactive, but they are beautiful and full color. Because they are consistent brightness, they're really perfect for photography. If you want to try the small bases or need to change the batteries, you'll need a standard Phillips head screwdriver. The right size is a little bigger than you think. Just unscrew it like this, and in the back, you can pop out the battery and put in a new one. If you have short nails like I do right now, it can help to use a popsicle stick. To put the new battery in, just make sure you have it the right way. On the back, you should see a plus sign, and on the front, you'll see a ring. Slide it all the way in. You can put it back on either base. Before you screw it in, make sure you've got the washer through the screw like this. Then put the screw through the circuit board, and then screw into the base. Don't over-tighten it. It should be snug and flush with the base. You might be wondering how to put them on. Start by taking this 2-sided wig tape that we've included and cutting it to shape. Remove the blue layer and apply to the base. You can also try spirit gum or latex glue if you find you don't like the tape. Now remove this layer and pop them on. You might want to avoid putting adhesive right where your nipple is going, so it's less likely to get irritated. You can also feel free to cheat the pasties so the middle isn't right over your nipple if you prefer. Many people wear them a little farther in and up than their natural nipple. Wear them in whatever way makes you feel best. Of course, there are lots of other ways to wear them, like putting them under your shirt and having the LEDs shine through. If the shirt is tight enough, you might not even need tape. You can also take the circuit board off and glue it to a silicone nipple cover like this. You'll need some special glue for that to work. You could also glue a pin or clip on the back and wear them in a completely different way. Okay, we hope that's everything you need to know about the pasties. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and please tag us on social media so we can see how gorgeous you look.